Hello, WordPress website creators and business owners. In this video, we are going to set up a website for technology and IT services agency. And this website is going to be stunning and unique in itself because we are going to use a new theme, and the look and feel is really very modern and stylish, to the point and as per industry needs. So the theme offers two layout. This is very one, and this is another one which is equally stunning. So the blue background, blue background, and the text combination with some hover effects, really presenting the content in a very professional manner. So let us begin, and the theme that we are going to use an overview in this video is EITS. Okay, and it is a technology and IT solutions WordPress theme. It has been developed by Line Themes. They are elite author at themeforest.net. You can simply buy the theme at themeforest.net through the video description link. But yes, you need to watch this complete video before you proceed for purchasing this theme, so that you may understand everything about the theme, how you can set up, you can customize, and what are the features included in the theme pack. So I'm ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress, and it is using the default theme. I have this shared hosting plan. You can also avail the same at WP Themes website. Link has been given in the video description. So in the theme pack, you'll get the installable theme file, just 1.3 MB in size, very optimized. The child theme is also included, two plugins and projects, and the Revolution slider has also been included. Licensing and documentation is already here. Okay. To proceed with the installation, we can simply go to the core installation of WordPress. We can add new theme under appearance section, and you can simply add theme, upload theme. So you don't need any technical skill for doing all these things, and there is a video series on this channel how to uh, basic learning for WordPress. If you are very new to WordPress, you can watch the series, and if you are aware about the WordPress installations, you can directly go with the theme and set up your website. Okay, you just need to select the installable theme file, etis.zip file. Click on install now. It will hardly take a while. So it is recommended to use WordPress optimized hosting plan so that you may get optimal speed for your website. So theme got installed within second. And if we talk about the theme version, this is very new version, and I must tell you, the theme came into existence in just few months ago, and as of now, it has got a very less number of sales. But yes, it is also an advantage because you are going to get a unique website using this theme, right? So we are going to activate the theme here. Upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. So advanced custom pairs is all these plugins are included in the theme pack itself. So you don't need to buy an external plugin. The contact form 7 as is well. Elementor is the page builder that has been used MailChimp for email subscription and all. On-click demo import is also here. Power packs for Elementor to enhance the capability of Elementor. Projects by Line Themes. Revolution slider for hero image area. SPG support for image supports and widget CSS. So all great plugins. Total plugins that we need to install are 10. So I have selected all, and let us see if we can install all these plugins in a single click. So I have selected all and installed, clicked on apply. It may take a while. Okay, great. So all plugins have been successfully installed. You can see all the green marks. So it is important to install all the plugins in without an error and in proper manner. So it is the green mark is an indication that all plugins have been installed without any trouble. Now, the next step is of course going to activate all the installed plugins, and that we can do in a single click. Again, I'm selecting all, will activate the installed plugin. So as of now, we have installed the theme, all set up plugins, and we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all set up plugins. So this is the basic look, and on this installation, we don't have any content. It means we have not imported the content yet. Right. So we can come back to the dashboard, and at this moment we can proceed to import the demo content to make a target website like any of these. So these are two layouts that you can target with the EITS WordPress theme, and we can then to proceed for importing demo content. Under the appearance, we have option to import demo data, and simply proceed with this import demo data link and continue and import. Now, at this process, the demo content import processes begin, and we need to sit tightly. I mean, we cannot disturb the process while the demo import process is going on. It is connected to developer server and all, and it depends on the internet speed, the hosting that you are using, and the content that has been included in the demo content like images and all. So you can open the media library in another tab just to check whether you are getting the content here or not. So uh, it is going to take time. So meanwhile, the demo import process is going on. Don't refresh the page or hidden back button. And we are getting media items here. It means everything is going fine and we just need to wait. So we can explore the internal pages while okay, so this is about us page. It is really great. Okay, so the flow and the loading of page is really very unique, and I like this. Okay, it is very competitive and attractive as well. Good one. So, and if we talk about services pages, the service is here, and the internal service page can be seen here. Very great, wonderful, great. And if we are checking another pages, like this is request a code page, so contact form and all. Great, wonderful. So this theme is really very good, and the data presentation and the content presentation is good. This is ticker as well, so we have all the great layouts and the elements that we can use in an advanced and professional website. Further, you have option to compare other themes and choose themes at WP Themes website. There are hundreds of themes and plugins that you can choose, compare, and understand before you go for buying. Right, and all the themes can be purchased at themeforest.net. With all the videos, you'll find the affiliate links to buy on the themeforest.net, and there is an advantage to buy the theme through the links given in the video description. You can join the iCreate program for free. I am sure if you are a regular visitor to this channel, you know about the iCreate program, which is a very interactive program for WordPress website. You can join the program for free, and you can start building your website with the help of mentors, where you can go for live chat, support, and all. It is all good, and I must tell you, the video that you are watching on your screen had been recorded using the screen recording system on Samsung Essential S3 monitor that you can buy again at the Flipkart and at a very competitive price. I'm going to add the link. You'll find the details in the description or with the video. So this is a Samsung Essential Series S3 Full HD IPS panel monitor, which comes with HDMI ports and super slim borderless design. And it is available in 22 inches, 24 inches, and 27 inches. You can buy the uh, good monitor here, and you can start using the advanced feature of this monitor. Brand is very strong, Samsung, so I'm not like this promoting any thing that is not a branded product. So this is a very good, and I'm enjoying this monitor for my day-to-day work. So you can also go for the same, and it is available on the Flipkart, right? And okay, so here the import complete uh, message is here. So congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. It is great. And if I refresh this page before we proceed to check our new website, uh, I so 75 media items that had included within the demo content. And I am eager to refresh this page to check our new website. I am sure it is all good. Yes, it is here. And both the home pages, all the elements of this page, and really. So I'll check the about page. Yes, everything is working fine as expected. And we have successfully installed the theme with all set of demo content without any trouble. So what next? Of course, you are going to update your content and I'll show you all the options that you got in this installation. So come back to the dashboard and the installation looks very clean. So we have very, very to the point options for customizing the website. There is no theme panel and I believe most of the things can be done using the customized options, like you can set the home page out of two home page, you can set any, and the other features, other settings can be done here. Like you can change the logos in the logos section, logo default dark and light, and the layout and styles. Okay, so layout settings, sidebar settings, color and typography all can be controlled here. So you might be concerned about the color and the font, so it can be done easily here. A sidebar and the sidebar menu and the sliding menu and the button stylings all can be changed and the controlled here. So it is good. All the options is available. All the options are available under under customized options. So it is well integrated with WordPress core. So it is advantage in fact. Social networks can be connected directly. Further, we have the header and footer options where you can set the gender, top bar settings, navigation bar, title bar. In the general settings, we have the header styles and the logo margin and all. So you can explore all these things for customizing your website, and you'll get all the controls to handle your website, to customize your website, right? So header footers. Further, we have the site identity, blog post, projects, color settings. So it this is again, and the background image, the homepage settings and all. So it is all very good and it is very clear that did not require any developer attention or support. You can do all these things at your own. So the slider evolution is the area where you can edit the homepage slider. Right, slider is always important part. So select the respective slider that you are using as your homepage and you can start editing here. So what you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image and same length of text. And when you are changing the image, don't forget to optimize the image size before you hit on save. So it is very, very important thing that is generally ignored, right? Next, for editing the content on the front end of the website, you can simply go with the Elementor page option. Just load the page that you want to edit, hit on edit with Elementor, and the content can be edited easily using the Elementor options. Elementor is very easy to use page builder, and now it is being used widely for WordPress website. Just go to the respective section and start. So for this hero image, you have to go in the slider evolution. For rest of the part, you can simply click on the area and start editing the content, or you can even enable the navigator structure. You can jump to the content directly, right? So if you have any questions regarding customization, the theme features, or even for add-on features that is not included in the theme pack, so you simply write in the comment or directly join the chat at iCreate program through the link available at this WP Themes website. This is the iCreate program, and for instant support, you can fill this form for in support and all the requirements and all. And you can also explore the success program, project material kits and all. So all is available for you. Just explore the things. You'll definitely get what you need for your WordPress website. So I believe I have shared enough things about the theme and you can start building your dream website for IT services and technology agency using the EITS WordPress theme, which is a dedicated theme for technology and IT solutions. So you need to spend $59 at Theme Forest for purchasing this theme, and with this $59 you'll get the quality check by Envato, future updates about this theme, and 6 months support from Line Themes, who are the original developer of the theme. In addition to this, we are here to help you in every manner. So let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Don't miss to subscribe the channel. Thank you.